Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what we have here. We have some wall sconce lights and I'll explain and show you what we got here. Well, it comes with a remote control as well. And in here we have, this is it here. This is the gold sconce light here, and it will work off of batteries, which is cool. So you can put it anywhere, and then it's rechargeable right there from the USB-C. So that is cool, and it has the little receiver there. And it comes with these heavy glass. Are they glass? Might be plastic, but these are the sconce pieces here. So this is it here. I'll show you how it goes. Put one on the bottom, one on the top. And you can see it's got all these LEDs in there. So it's gonna be, I don't know, we'll see what it looks like here. Hopefully it'll be nice and bright. Okay, so we have that in there now. We have, it comes with a set of two, and it comes with two of everything. So you have two cables, you have two remotes, so you can put them in different areas. Here's the other device here. Not sure what's in this little baggie here. What is this? Let's see. These are, oh, it's like mounting brackets. Let's see. Ooh, it's really in there. Okay. Boy, they have the mounting brackets very securely packaged. Okay. And so this is it here. Oh. Okay, so this is one of the brackets here. So you screw it onto the wall, and then this will hang on, you see that hole right there. So it'll just hang right there. So it'll just hang on the wall. So that's all you need to do. That's the only holes. You don't need to worry about plugs or anything else, just that. And then, ooh, look at that. I tapped the top to make the lights go on, and look at how cool that is. Let me see if I can turn this light off here. It's a light day right now. Ooh, look at that. You get all these different colors. Wow, this is sweet. And it looks like you can turn it sideways too. If you wanted to mount it this way, you could mount it either way. And just however you want to do it. So pretty cool. And then, yeah, you can just touch the buttons to make it go, or you can use the remote control as such here. Let's see. Let's see if I go off. Oh, there's off and on. And these are some of the different colors. I'm colorblind, so you'll have to tell me what these colors are. But you can see, you just push the buttons for the different colors. And you can say flash. There's flash. Here's strobe. They look pretty similar. Fade. Oh, I think I like fade. And then here's something called smooth. I guess that's just smooth. I think I like fade. Fade switches from one color to the next fading, I guess. Okay, so that's kind of it here. Super easy to install. Just kind of set it up, and then you just charge it from a USB-C to USB cable. So you could probably just charge that whenever, or you could probably run a wire if you wanted it to be permanent. So super cool, really nice. And I like these. These look great. These would be great in a bathroom, in a bedroom, pretty much anywhere. So I like it. Thumbs up.